These last 2 days of Unit 5 are about linear inequalities. Now, you still graph your lines the same way. You still look for the y-intercept, you still graph from the slope-intercept equation, but you have to include symbols in this time, okay? You have to include inequality symbols. So let's start from linear inequalities. Okay, let's do the tables first. It says to determine if an ordered pair is a solution, plug in the value for x and y into the equation and determine whether it is true or false. So let's do that. There's my equation. Now I'm only going to do 1 or 2 because it takes up a lot of space. Let's use -3 and 2. My x is -3 and my y is 2. So I would write my equation as 9 times -3 minus 5 times 2 is greater than or equal to 15. We don't know if this is a true math statement or not. We have to do the work. -27 minus 10 is greater than or equal to 15. -37 is greater than or equal to 15. Is this a true math statement? No, it is not. So that point, -3, 2, is not a solution. It is not a solution to this equation. So you are going to go through all 4 pairs, and you are going to do the math to determine if it is or is not. Let's do another one. Let's do 0, 4. 9 times 0 minus 5 times 4 is greater than or equal to 15. 0 minus 20 is greater than or equal to 15. Is that a true statement? No, it is not. Okay, let me do one more because I've got the room. Let's do -2, -7. 9 times -2 minus 5 times -7 greater than or equal to 15. -18, and this is plus 35 because you've got a -5 times a -7 is greater than or equal to 15, and that is 17 is greater than or equal to 15. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is a true statement. And minus 30, 45 minus 30, and actually that one is 2. Okay, so let's try another one. All you're doing is the math. You're plugging in the numbers. Let's do the first one. 2x plus 6y is greater than -12. Pay attention to the symbol. This is not greater than or equal to. It is just greater than. Plugging in numbers. 2 times 4 plus 6 times -5 is greater than -12. 8 minus 30 is greater than -12. -22 is greater than -12. Is that a true statement? It is not, because the greater the negative number, the further to the left of the number line. This is not a true statement. Let's do another one. 2 times 0 plus 6 times -2 is greater than -12. 0 minus 12 is greater than -12. Is -12 greater than -12? It is not. That's why you have to pay close attention to the symbol. The symbol is greater. So even though -12 equals -12, that is not the question we are asking. You must pay attention. All right, let's do another one. 2 times -6 plus 6 times 5 greater than -12. So we have -12 plus 30 greater than -12. 18 is greater than -12. Well, it sure is. And then last one. 2 times 9 plus 6 times 1 is greater than -12. 18 plus 6 is greater than negative 12. Definitely. So that's not so bad. You need to do the math. Write every problem out. Don't try to do them in your heads right now because you are getting your skills. When you write it out, you work better.